Hi everyone, I'm Doris from Alan Music. Some customers always ask us, what does their trumpet case look like? And what accessories come with their trumpet? So today, let me show you. First, let's see the case. It is a light case with two rubber handles. One is on the top, one is on the side. Next, let's see the top pocket. Look at this part. You can make your logo here, and if you order over 5 pieces, it is free. Now let's open the top pocket. When you open it, you will see a single strap. Look, it's used like this way. Now let's see the back of the case. There are hidden straps here. When you open it, you will see them two straps. Besides, there are 4 rubber feet and here and here. So you can make your case stand like this and this way. Okay, it's time to see the case inside. Let's open it. Hey, look, it's the trumpet. So the trumpet lies like a beautiful lady, right? So now let's see what's inside. One mouthpiece, a pair of gloves, a cleaning cloth, a vial oil. That's all. Are this enough for a trumpet player? What do you think must be included in a trumpet case? Please kindly leave your message below our video. That's all. Thank you. Goodbye.